Good evening from what's been a very warm day in Abu Dhabi. So I thought we'd come out and do a couple of sunset shots. Well, one sunset shot, because it has cooled off a bit. It's not too bad at all at the moment. Sun's still very high, mind, but it's quite a nice temperature. It's about 39 degrees at the moment, I suppose. So there's this iron bridge here. It sort of goes between Yas Island and I'm not sure what the next island's called, but it was here more for the construction of stuff, I think, when they were building all the main roads. I photographed it a few years ago, but nothing special. And at the moment it's perfect for the sun. So this bridge here, let me swing the camera around. Right, so this bridge here, the sun at the moment is down the left end of it, but it should set. If we get up closer here, I got a feeling we could be looking sort of underneath the bridge at sunset, which would be a really nice sort of composition. I think the bridge will take us in. Nice wide angle lens, just to emphasize the bridge. The water is hardly moving, so I don't think I'm going to be able to slow that down or make that milky in any way, shape or form, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to have a scout around with the iPhone and look for a composition, and then we'll get the camera, get out and get set up. Okay, well, I initially started on the other side of the bridge, but then realised that the sunset would be through the bridge. It wasn't very good. So we've come to this side, and to be honest, it's a pretty decent composition anyway. So we're all set up, ready to go. I say we've got Elliot with me today as well. He's decided to come and take pictures as well. So he's used my old Nikon D7000. So makey learny, that's what it is. So let me just swing the camera around here, and we'll show you the back of the camera. Right, okay. So we're on ISO 160 with an f8. We're wide open at 10mm, and the shutter speed at the moment is 1/8 of a second. The sun has gone behind the clouds. There's a lot of clouds on the horizon, unfortunately. If we just lift it back up, yeah, there we go. But it is giving some nice light on the clouds that is there. So it's not actually sunset for another 9 minutes yet. So we'll see what we can get out of this, and hopefully the sun will come back out as it comes below the clouds with a bit of luck. But I can't see that happening. But anyway, there we go. Let's do one shot and see where it goes. Okay, I've altered my composition slightly. I don't think it's going to get much better than this. We are getting some nice pinks and all in the sky now. So here goes, the one shot, and let's see what we can do. Job done. Let's have a look. I think that'll do us. Here we go, one shot, job done. Okay, here we are. It's dark now, sun is well and truly gone. We're about 20 minutes after sunset here. Unlike way up in the north of the UK, we don't get an hour after sunset. 20 minutes and you're done. Same with sunrise. We only get 20 minutes and that's it, game over. So our blue hour lasts for 20 minutes, not an hour. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. Another quick 5-minute Friday for you. Catch you again.